All right, putting regular tap water in here. I have done some filtered water already. I just had to take the top out. So this is going to be the ppms. I don't know what that means. My husband tells me that means it's safe to drink. 64, unfiltered. Putting it in the filtered water. 68. How is it possible the Brita made it worse? Okay, let's go to clear. Let's change the mode to the, can't see that one. Red, 138. Clear it. Put it in the filtered water. 144. It's actually making my water worse. Good job, Brita.